Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Marketing All-Stars. I'm your host, Stephen Page. And today we're talking about the top 4 tools you need to know in 2021 to get out of the minor leagues of marketing and get into the big leagues. First thing we're going to talk about today is AI-powered tools, artificial intelligence. There's a new artificial intelligence called GPT-3 that a lot of these software companies are utilizing right now. One of the ways they're utilizing it is copywriting tools, where you can easily generate headlines, generate copy using these tools, where you can write a sentence, you can write just a few paragraphs, and it'll expand your copy into a whole blog post, or write it in a way of a specific headline for your marketing campaigns. Right now are for design, where you can write what you want to see on a picture, and it'll draw the design, or find a picture, or make a picture or painting out of what you said. It also can code things. You can explain what Instagram looks like, and the AI will build Instagram for you. It's pretty amazing, and this technology is only going to get better going forward. So at the end of 2021, 2025, it's going to make marketers' lives a lot easier and take a lot of that grunt work out of it. Number 2, conversational marketing tools. What that means is text messaging, chat on your website, also Messenger, which is Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. Just the ability to talk to someone one-to-one, easily interact with someone, make it really personal. There's a lot of great tools out there. Intercom, Drift, Messenger tools include things like ManyChat, MobileMonkey. This really allows you to have one-on-one conversations with leads and potential customers, because these reach rates on phone calls and trying to reach someone by calling them is getting harder and harder. The connection rates are dropping faster every year, so that quick text message, that quick chat is huge when it comes to reaching these new leads and new customers. Us internally at Giant Partners, we actually implemented chat all across our website heavily within the past year. Even through the pandemic and COVID, we continue to grow and increase our leads and lead volume, and are getting really big deals and opportunities through chat, which you wouldn't think would happen, but there's a lot of people wanting to chat versus receive a phone call, and a lot of your sales reps are going to have a hard time calling, hitting those phones, where that time between the lead to contact is so much shorter on chat versus a phone call. That speed to lead is the name of the game, and chat makes it the fastest. And when it comes to texting your potential leads or customers, it's really vital and really amazing when you use it for event registration, webinars, and for e-commerce, for abandoning carts, things like that, which I'll get into in the automation section. Number 3, automation tools. So these are tools that make your life easier. This is a way to follow up emails, text messages to your abandoned cart list. This is a way to cross-sell and upsell customers. This is a way to send dripped emails out to potential leads, existing leads or potential leads. Another automation tool category is with your advertising platforms. One of these tools is called RevealBot, and it allows you to create rules and automate your advertising campaigns. It could turn off ads that are underperforming. It could put up new ads that you want to test, all automatically with a click of a few buttons. Marketing automation tools include ones like HubSpot and ActiveCampaign that allow you to capture leads and then send drip emails, drip text messages to keep them engaged. E-commerce automation platforms include tools like Klaviyo and ManyChat that allow you to integrate with e-commerce platforms like Shopify. So when someone initiates checkout, adds to cart, you're able to send them reminder emails, reminder text messages, upsell packages, deals, things like that, and keep them engaged and keep them buying from you and improve the lifetime value of that customer. One of the last automation tools falls in the B2B space. B2B email still works really well, and tools like Mailshake allow you to create a sequence of emails, let's say 3 to 5 emails, and send those out every other day or every week, one a week for, let's say, a month or 2-month period. So you could reach people at Microsoft or Apple, let's say. You can try to reach all the marketing department of Apple and send an email out to each people in that department every few days or every other week and try to get them to engage and reply to your email. And it's all automatically done. You don't have to manually make these emails yourself. You could have it all dripped out and automated. So number 4, integration tools. So with those tools you mentioned before, how do we get that data passed to each platform. How do we get those platforms to talk to each other? And that's with integration tools. One of the most popular ones is Zapier. Really cost effective, really easy user interface to use and pass data between applications and softwares. Definitely recommend trying that out. There's other tools like PieSync, which actually got purchased by HubSpot. LeadsBridge got purchased by Active Prospect. Another tool called Segment got purchased by Twilio. So there's a huge trend in integration and passing data between softwares, and all these other companies are buying these integration tools. So that's how important it is, because they know it's getting harder to get those platforms to talk to each other. So why are these integration tools so important? Especially to you as a marketer and your marketing campaigns. It just makes it so much easier on your life, and it takes a lot of work out of the importing and exporting of data between platforms. So for example, if you had to capture leads on a Facebook lead form, for example, you used to be able to have to export that list out and import it into your CRM of Salesforce, HubSpot, wherever it is, and have that distribute to your sales reps. But now you can use a tool like Zapier. When the moment that Facebook lead comes in, it can pass that data through Zapier and into your CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce automatically within an instant. And you can trigger emails even through Zapier or HubSpot. And it can actually notify you or your sales rep when those leads come in, making it super quick, and that speed to lead is faster than ever. So looking at these tools we just went over, there's an overall trend of the digital automation, which is actually really beneficial to you as a marketer, because it can save you so much time of kind of pulling the levers, clicking buttons, typing away. It'll save you time so you can focus on marketing strategy and the actual concept of the campaign, and so you can focus on the actual success versus actually the bells and whistles and things like that. And here at Giant Partners, we actually use all these tools internally. Not only for ourselves, but for our clients. So we're trying these tools out, seeing what we like, what we don't like, what's amazing, what's cost effective, and we're passing those learnings on to you. We really want the marketing world to get better, and we want you guys to focus on the strategy, concepts, the tracking, the results, the testing, not the bells and whistles, the pulling levers, that element. We want the human element to really shine through for marketers. So if you want your next marketing campaign to be a home run, use these marketing tools. So that wraps it up for today. So stay tuned for future episodes. We'll have other marketing all-stars on with me, Stephen Page, your host, and we'll be going into more tips, more secrets, more strategies, and things you can use as a marketer yourself. Be sure to leave a comment and subscribe. We'll see you next time.